Hello and welcome to All Is Outdoors. This week we're going to do a little unboxing. We have got the Lurenet Bank Creek box kit for November, December. Let's crack into it, see what we got. Okay, here we are. We got the bait school bag. Let's see what we've got in the Lurenet Bank Creek kit. We're starting out with some Mo Glow. These are some Bobby Garland crappie baits called the Baby Shad. They are in the Monkey Milk Glow color, and it's an 18 pack, and these are a 2-inch long. There you go. Little crappie baits. Oh, we got some more crappie baits. We got some Bobby Garlands. These are the Bobby Garlands stroller, 2.5 inches long, and these are in the lights out color, and it's a 12 pack. You can see them there. Lights out color. Another little crappie jig. Oh, and looks like we got a lot of crappie stuff here. We got some floats. So we got some weighted floats, fantastic foam floats. They're weighted, and it's a 3-pack. Got little weights here on the bottom. Nice. All right, we got a Rebel. This is the matte series. So it's a matte finish. This is a Rebel Wee Crawfish. And this is in the Winter Craw color. We got a Rebel matte series craw. Wee Craw. Oh, we got another Rebel. This is a Crick Hopper. So cricket. This is also in the matte series. And this is a Fire Cricket color. We got a little cricket, lip crankbait type cricket. In the matte series, that's the second one. Oh, we got another Rebel. This is the Raider. Looks like a little lipless. This is in the citrus shad color. And I don't see a size on here, but the citrus shad lipless from Rebel. Nice little crappie baits. All right. Here we go. We have got the Smithwick. This is the Pro Rogue. Dive 0 to 6 feet, 4.5 inches long, and 3/8 of an ounce in the blue violet color. So a Smithwick Rogue, Pro Rogue. We have got Great Lakes Finesse. This is a Juvie Craw, 2.5 inches long. It is a 7-pack in the motor oil color. The Juvie Craw, little tube style craw. And as Lurenet Bank Creek usually does, they give us stuff that pairs up. Here is the Great Lakes Finesse tube jig, 3/16 of an ounce, and it's perfectly suited, matched, and paired for this right here. So we've got the head and the body. That's nice. And it's another pairing. We have got the Crappie Pro Overbite, little jig heads. This is in the 1/32 size, and it is the Mo Glow pink color. And there is, let's say 24. Yeah, maybe there's, looks like, well, doesn't look like that many, but to double check the size there. So there's the jig head. Then we have got Bank Creek sticker. white on white. And we got the Bobby Garland sticker. Crappie baits. And of course we've got, not crappie baits, but baits for crappie. We've got a discount code there I just showed you, which they always throw in there for you when you get this. And then a little thing that you can scan, a little scan code, so you can see what's in the box. So, and then can't forget the bait bag. Very nice. Reusable bait bag. Works good. All right. Okay, let's recap. What do we have? We got the Bank Creek sticker. We've got the Bobby Garland sticker. We've got the little scan code so we can see what's in the bag, along with a little discount code for your next purchase. We've got the reusable bait bag, the bait school bag. You can even write on it there. That's very useful. We got the Pro Rogue suspending jerk bait. We have got the Rebel baits. We got a couple in the matte series. This is the Rebel Wee Craw. We've got the Crick Hopper in the matte series. Little cricket. Then we got a lipless, the Raider. Nice color there. Looks good. Then we got some stuff that pairs up here. We have got Great Lakes Finesse, the Juvie Craw, in the motor oil color. Right there's what it looks like. Pretty nice looking. As you can see, it's hollow there in the middle. That pairs up with the jig heads we got for it, the tube jig heads. Here that is. Nice stout hook. You take this and you just insert it in here, put it between the antennas, and then just push up through there. And there you go, you got your tube. Perfectly sized for that bait. Nice pairing. Then we've got, of course, the Moglo. Little crappie bait. Looks like that. The monkey milk color. This glows in the dark. We've got the Bobby Garland's, the stroller. And this is in the lights out color. And right there's what that looks like. Nice little paddle tail. Looks good. Then we've got jig heads. These are the Crappie Pro jig heads at 1/32, and they are glow in the dark. And these are going to be very hard for me to show to you, but right there's what it looks like. Glows in the dark. Then we've got the weighted floats. Right here is one. You can see we got the weight here on the bottom. You just push that down, just get your line to go through, and the opposite here. Put your line in so you can adjust it where you want. And that will work perfect on floating this right here. Nice pairing. Again, this pairs up good with these jigs. Really nice Bank Creek kit for this time of year. I'm not doing any fishing here. It's a little cold. Could go up light fishing here in a little bit, but lakes haven't frozen over yet. But I think that's a pretty good kit for November, December. So thanks for joining us here at All Is Outdoors. We'll see you next week.